Someone just got paid $10,000 to name a stranger's baby. And no, this isn't a scam, it's a real job. In today's episode of Revolution Success, we're diving into one of the weirdest, most unexpected ways people are making money in 2025. Naming babies. That's right. There are people getting paid thousands, yes, thousands, just to come up with names for babies they've never met, for parents they've never even seen in real life. This isn't some one-off side hustle. This is a booming niche industry. And the rates, absolutely bonkers. Stick around, because we're breaking down 4 of the most fascinating, hilarious, and frankly genius stories of professional baby namers who turned their knack for names into serious income. You won't believe how much one teenager is making, or the fact that TikTok handles are part of the job now. Let's go. Part 1. Taylor Humphrey, the $10,000 baby namer. Our first stop, Taylor Humphrey, a New York-based woman who, according to multiple sources, charges up to $10,000 to name a baby.
What?
Let me repeat that. She names your baby and gets paid more than a semester at community college to do it. Now, this isn't just picking between Emma and Olivia. Taylor comes with receipts and a resume. She's got a background in creative writing, brand consulting, and marketing, so she treats every baby like a new product launch. Think of her as a mix between a baby whisperer and a brand strategist. Here's what $10,000 gets you: deep interviews with the parents, family history and heritage research, social media handle availability checks, yes for babies, and name lists so curated they probably smell like eucalyptus and ambition. Example: one family wanted a name that honored both their Irish and Japanese heritage while sounding modern and unique. Taylor delivered. And for ultra-premium clients, she even includes naming ceremonies. I don't know about you, but if someone's naming my kid for 10 grand, they better throw in fireworks and a theme song. Wild stat. In 2022 alone, Taylor reportedly made over $150,000 just naming babies full-time. Part 2. The TikTok handle baby namer. Next, meet Mallory, a Gen Z consultant who's flipping the baby naming game upside down. Instead of heritage, she's focused on handle clout. Yes, parents are now paying $500 a name to make sure their baby can get a fire username on TikTok or Instagram. Names like Zayden or Aurelio, because Emily56721 just won't cut it in 2040. Her process? Check TikTok and IG for handle availability. Test the names Vibe in lowercase with emojis, and predict trendiness using aesthetics like cottagecore, dark academia, or clean girl. And yes, she's booked months in advance. Turns out, if your baby's going to grow up in the algorithm, they better start with SEO-friendly branding from birth. This might sound absurd, but think about it. Today's kids are born into a world of personal branding. Parents aren't just naming a human, they're launching a brand. Some names even come with domain recommendations like getbrooklyn.com, just in case your toddler is future-proofing for Web3. Part 3. Side hustle to 6 figures. Let's talk side hustle success. This story comes from a woman who started naming babies as a passion project and turned it into a tens of thousands a year business with zero startup costs. How did she start? She joined parenting forums and Reddit threads, offering free baby name suggestions. She created custom Google Forms to gather parent preferences like name length, meanings, initials, and aesthetics. Then, she charged a small fee on Fiverr, $10, then $50, then $250. Within a year, she was offering tiered packages. Her basic package included 10 name ideas. The premium package included name meaning, origin, and sibling matching. Her deluxe package included nursery color palette suggestions to match the vibe of the name. Now she runs a website and sells digital name bundles with themes like whimsical names for nature-loving families, vintage chic names that won't get teased, and bold names for future entrepreneurs. She even started offering pet naming as a side gig, because apparently Kevin the cat wasn't cutting it anymore. Part 4. The $300,000 teen baby namer. Okay, brace yourself. There's a 19-year-old in the UK who's earned over £260,000 sterlings, about $330,000 naming babies. How did she do it? TikTok. That's it. That's the whole sentence. She started by posting fun videos like names that would make adorable twins, underrated softboy names that sound like indie bands, and names that scream main character energy. One of her early videos went viral. Parents flooded her DMs asking for custom lists, so she opened up consultations, and the rest is baby name history. Today, her baby naming empire includes a premium site, multiple income streams that include consulting, merch, ebooks, and themed name bundles like baby names based on 90s sitcom characters, ethereal names with witchy energy, and celebrity baby name vibes without being cringe. She reportedly earns over $10,000 a month, mostly from digital products and custom list orders. And to think, you were out here naming your Sims for free. Why this works? Let's take a step back. Why is this even a thing? Here's the psychology. Decision fatigue. Parents are overwhelmed by choices, and there are 30,000 plus name options. Fear of judgment. One weird name, and the kid's doomed to a lifetime of roll calls and awkward Starbucks orders. Branding culture. Everyone's a brand now, including your baby. Combine that with TikTok virality, aesthetic culture, and people willing to pay for anything that saves them time. Boom. The perfect storm for the rise of the baby naming consultant. So there you have it. From $10,000 name whisperers to TikTok handle strategists, people are cashing in big just for coming up with baby names. We're living in a time where you can earn six figures naming humans you'll never meet. Parents are prioritizing social media over baby books, and a 19-year-old just bought a car with money made from suggesting Esri Moon. If that's not the wildest hustle you've heard this week, just wait until next episode. Comment below. What's the weirdest baby name you've heard in real life? Or make one up. Best one gets featured in the next video. Smash that like button if you've ever named a Wi-Fi network better than a human child. Subscribe for more absurd true stories about how people are making money in the weirdest ways possible. This is Revolution Success signing off. Go name something weird today.